David Reed Bromstad is an American designer and television personality. In 2006, he became the winner of the debut season of HGTV Design Star. He is the host of his own television show, Color Splash with David Bromstad, which debuted in March 2007 on HGTV, as well as Color Splash Miami on HGTV, which debuted in 2010. He also hosts HGTV's My Lottery Dream Home, in which he helps lottery winners find their dream real estate property. Bromstad was born the youngest of 4 children to Diane Marlies Bromstad and Richard Harold David Bromstad in Kokkoto, Minnesota. His mother is of Swedish and German descent, and his father is of Norwegian descent. He has 3 older siblings, Dean Richard Bromstad, Danelle Renee Bromstad, and Dion Rachel Bromstad. He was always interested in art and design, and while attending Wayzata High School made a decision to pursue a career as a Disney animator. He attended the Ringling College of Art and Design in Sarasota, Florida, a school known as a starting point for careers with Disney. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.